lazy. So if you're lazy, I need you to exit out this video right now because this is not for you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get into today's topic, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. And you check out my Instagram and you give it a follow and a look to the side. For today's topic, I am going to be coming to you guys with why you watching this video now should start a YouTube channel. I figured since I'm already a year and a month in, and I'll be 2 months next year, I feel like now that I'm a little bit of a pro, but not really a pro, I can drop some tips and hints about why you should start a YouTube channel. So let's get into it now. I know when I first started thinking about joining YouTube, I had so many reasons of why I should not start YouTube, or like who would watch my videos, or anybody fuck with what I'm saying, would anybody relate to me, would anybody really even just want to watch me for 15 to maybe 30 minutes of making YouTube videos. But the truth of the matter is, if you want to do a YouTube page, literally just do the damn thing. Like, it took me maybe about a whole nother year to like actually start a YouTube channel on my own, because when I first started YouTube, I did a YouTube with my friend and we was called The Black in the City. I'm so mad I took that page down, but you guys could have saw some old clips. Yeah. So when I first started YouTube, it was me and my friend. We did YouTube videos, but unfortunately it didn't work out because our schedules and due to everything else, it just wasn't matching. So I was like, damn, yo, I really like YouTube and I really like it. I really think it could take me places, and I really feel like coming on here and recording, it gives me a sense of relief, and I feel like a lot of people that's watching from the other side of this screen can relate to what I'm going to. So I was just like, why not start a YouTube? Prior to starting the YouTube page, I did not want to start one. I was really scared, and like I said, I didn't know if my personality was camera friendly. I didn't know if I was just like the it girl for YouTube. When coming to find out, you don't have to be an it anything. All you have to do is honestly, authentically be yourself, and the views and the subscribers will come. So the reason why you should start a YouTube channel is because you thought about it, you're thinking about it, and you probably got the personality for it, and it's probably someone like you that can relate to you, and you guys probably have a lot in common to share, so you should just automatically go for it. Two, it's really fun, it's very therapeutic, and it's like a stress reliever. I feel like a lot of YouTubers don't talk about it that much. Like, it just feels good coming on camera and talking about things that happen to you or things that you experience, and you sometimes think that you're alone, but you're not really alone, because other people comment down in the comment section below and be like, yeah, I relate to that. Or like sometimes you'll get reactions to be like, oh, this story time was really good, it really meant so much to me, and stuff like that. Three, you grow your own fan base, people that really like fuck with you from different parts of the world that you never thought would actually see your face across their screen, and they enjoy watching your videos. And like then you start to slowly but surely grow like a fan base. Well, I hate saying a fan base because I don't really think other people should be fans of other people, but they should just more so like them just because of who they are. You grow a tighter bond with different people from different types of the world. They follow you, they subscribe to you, they look forward to seeing your face every week. They even support you, whatever you want to do. And it's just, honestly, it's just really fun having people that don't know you from different parts of the world support you, besides the people that do know you and stuff like that. Like, you just make more new friends and a new family, and so on and so forth. Next, YouTube can take you places whether people want to say it or not, because maybe they don't want to seem too shallow or whatever. But YouTube can take you places, but only YouTube itself, like the platform, cannot take you places. But you yourself can take this and make it something bigger than what you ever thought of. That's the path I'm on now. Like, I want people to get recognize this face. I want like people to relate to me, and I want people to really feel my content and really get to know me on a deeper level than just some like YouTuber that's like, hey guys, and stuff like that. Like, I want them to subscribe to me because they feel like what I have to say is valid, or they like my personality, or they can just honestly just relate to me at this point. So that goes back to saying your yeah, I don't know how to call it because I still haven't figured out the word of what to call it. It just goes back to saying your fan base, even though I don't like to say that. It just, you grow your fan base, you grow your own people. I just feel like the reason why you should start a YouTube channel in general, honestly, truly, is because it's something that you really feel like you would be consistent with doing and that you would feel good with doing. It's like a lot of people could come on here and tell you why you should start a YouTube channel and the perks of starting a YouTube channel, but nobody really comes on here and tell you that you should start a YouTube channel because you want to start a YouTube channel. It can be whatever you want it to be. There's different type of personalities all over the world that can relate to any and everybody. So your page doesn't have to be one specific brand. It doesn't have to be clothing hauls. It doesn't have to be fashion. It doesn't have to be beauty. It could just be a lifestyle channel, or literally it could just be a mixture of all the things that you like and other people like. Just do your research on it. Try to incorporate stuff that's trending as well. Like try to look at the YouTube trending section and try to do stuff like that. I know sometimes even I find myself sticking to what I like and what works, but you also have to change with the times because it's like people want to see you do fun stuff. People want to see you engage with other people, and people want to see do fun, more personality stuff. They want to get to know you. They want to know why they should subscribe to you. They want to know why they should even be interested in your life or why they should watch a 9 or 10 minute video of you. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you should definitely start a YouTube page because you want to, because it's something you always wanted to. I just want people to know that starting a YouTube, signing up is easy, but being consistent and like having a weekly schedule and all that is really hard. But once you figure it out and you get the ball rolling, don't stop, keep going, and it's just very rewarding. I don't know, for me, I didn't really think that like starting a YouTube channel would like go this far for me, or like just make me feel very good and just happy. Like I literally come here and I'm so happy to record and say what I have to say, even though sometimes it doesn't come out the right way that I want it to be, but people are able to grasp the concept of what I'm trying to say. So like I really like it, and I feel like the slower you grow, or like the time you take, or however much time you put into growing your channel, is exactly what you're gonna get out. For me, I might not be at 1,000 subscribers or whatever the case may be, but the subscribers that I am getting that are growing, those are organically. I said it before in my playlist. I'll leave it up below. I mean, up above. It's basically a playlist that I had that I used to do every month when I made like a month or something like that in my YouTube, and I explained about the things that I learned from YouTube, this and that and the third. So I'll leave that up so you guys can check that out after this video. But basically, I stated in one of those videos that you should grow your followers organically. You shouldn't do the sub for sub, because that's the quickest way I feel is to lose followers, because they only use sub, not all of them. Some of them want you to do sub for sub so they can reach their 1,000, and then once they reach their 1,000, it's just I feel like some of them unfollow you, or they don't really check for you no more. So like, even if it takes you a whole year, 6 months, or whatever the case may be to reach 1,000 subscribers, just always remember that growing things organically is the better route, because they're more likely to stick with you in the long run versus you doing sub for sub and you just get these followers you get these followers fast, and then less than 6 months, and then boom, when your channel starts to grow, you see that they start dropping, or you see that nobody's watching and it's not equaling with your watch time. Another thing about watch time on YouTube is that is 4,000 hours, and I am nowhere near 4,000 hours yet. But I'm not where I used to be compared to 4,000 hours. 4,000 hours is going to take you some time. You'll get 1,000 subscribers before you get 4,000 watch hours. That's just the facts. YouTube made it when I had start my second page, which is this page, that it's required that you have 4,000 watch times. I personally don't know why they did that. I don't know, but I'm not really concerned about the watch hours. Yeah, I would love for people to watch me, get to know me better, and this and that and third. But I want people to watch me on their own time, and I want them to watch me because they felt like watching me. Like I always want people to subscribe and watch my videos because they want to, not because I'm like, watch my videos, even though that's what you're supposed to say as a YouTuber. But I want you to fuck with me because you want to fuck with me regardless. Like I never want nobody to half-ass fuck with me. I never want nobody to fuck with me because somebody put me on. Like, just do it because you want to do it. You understand what I'm saying? So yeah, so make a YouTube because you want to. And also, YouTube is fun. It's lit. It's like so many people you can meet in the YouTube community, become friends, make videos with, collab with, and stuff like that. So like, just do it, man. Like, YouTube is fun. It's hard work. It's consistent. It's gonna be a lot of ups and downs. And you just really don't need a lot of expensive things. Like, when I started a YouTube channel, I literally started on my laptop, and I didn't probably stop using my laptop till about, I want to say maybe like the beginning of this year, when I got my ring light and everything stand. And yeah, yeah, excuse me. I started on my laptop and then I switched to my phone, and I should have been doing that from the jump. I just never thought about it. But yeah, you don't really need a lot. You just take what you got and run with it until you can get where you trying to go and get the things that you need. Like, you don't need all this fancy equipment. Because first of all, if you buy all this fancy equipment, then 3 months in you realize you don't want to do it. That's pretty much a waste of money. So just stick to the basics. Your cell phone or a laptop, you're gonna be alright. Two, just know that you're gonna have some dark times and it's gonna be a little rough, but this is something you really want to do and you think it could take you places and put you on. Don't let that fade you, and keep pushing. And lastly, I just want to say, have fun with anything that you want to do in pursuit of life. Literally, just have fun. Go for it. Don't let nobody tell you different. Don't let nobody be in your ear talking about this and that and third. Just do it, guys. Just do it because you want to do it. YouTube is fun. You might not grow as fast as you want, but that's okay. You'll get there sooner than later. So I hope you guys like this video and you give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. I also want to say apologies for being MIA for a little long, for being MIA. I know I said it in the beginning, but as you can see, to those who tune into my videos religiously, my wall was purple. It's now turquoise or teal, whatever you want to call it. I will be doing a room tour when everything is final and in place to my liking. So I guess you guys are getting a sneak peek because my room is teal now, and the room tour is already filmed. I'm just basically waiting for a few more pieces, and then I will give you guys the final tour. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.